We've already done the first step for you by cutting a 3-sided flap out of the top of the box. Now you're going to need some glue and aluminum foil. Spread glue on the inside of the flap and then cover with aluminum foil, trying to make it as smooth as possible. It's okay to go around the edges to the front. Now you're going to do the same with the bottom of the box, spreading the glue and covering with the aluminum foil, trying to keep it as smooth as possible. Now we need some tape and plastic wrap. Next, we're going to tape a layer of plastic wrap across the opening we cut in the lid. Open the lid up and do the same on the inside, taping a layer of plastic wrap. When you bring it outside, you are going to need a stick or a pencil, anything that can be used to prop the lid up to reflect the sun into the box. You may need to tape it. The stick will keep falling out unless it is secure. Once everything is set up and secure, preheat the solar oven for 30 minutes. Break the gingerbread crackers in half and spread them out on the aluminum pan. Place a marshmallow on top of each cracker. After preheating for 30 minutes, place the pan inside the solar oven. Secure the stick to make sure that it will not fall, and make sure that the flap is reflecting the sun. Cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check your marshmallows. If they can be squished down, do so. If not, wait a few more minutes. When your marshmallows are ready, add a piece of chocolate to each s'more. Add a half of a graham cracker to the top of each s'more and cook for a minute or two. When you see the chocolate is melted, they are ready to go. Make sure to use an oven mitt to remove the pan from the solar oven. It will be hot.